Morning students, let's start the exercise H. We have studied this table. Okay, how to change positive degree in comparative. Same we have to do with the comparative degree into positive. Simple CD, understand? So simple comparative degree, only ER than is there, so that is the simple comparative. Then any other comparative degree we have to change into no other positive. Means if you find any other in the sentence, take the no other while changing into positive degree, take the no other at the beginning, then use this formula, then we will solve. Same with the very few. If you find out the degree with the comparative degree with the most other, start the sentence positive degree with the very few. Okay, so in this way we are going to use. Let's see, open this chart in front of you, and let's see the and understand the examples. Rewrite these sentences using the degrees of comparison given in the brackets. Do not change the meaning of the sentence. Okay, we should not change the meaning. That's why we are using the negative rule. Understand? If you not use the negative rule, the meaning will change. So that's why we are using the negative rule in the degree. Most of the simple, positive and simple comparative. Let's see. The black suitcase is smaller than the green one. Now this is the ER than. Means which type of a degree? This is the simple comparative degree. And we have to change it to positive degree. So what is the rule? See the rule. New subject, helping verb, negative rule. Negative rule in the sentence if there is no not. In this sentence, is there not given sentence? No. So definitely we should take in the answer. Okay. So take the new subject. See the formula, everyone. I will not here show the formula. You should open the chart I have given and see the second part. First formula. Simple CD into PD. This is the useful for this first sentence. Take the new subject at the end of the sentence in the given sentence. The green one. Okay, so we are not writing one, we will write at the end. The green suitcase is helping verb. Negative rule in the sentence, there is no not, we are taking not. Then as, between as we will use this main adjective, that is small. As small as, then take the black one. Okay, now see the second sentence. Cricket is the most popular sport in the country. Which degree we have to make? Comparative. If you see, the cricket is the most popular sport in the country. This is which type of a country? Which type of a sentence? Most. This is the superlative degree. Okay, superlative degree. And in this sentence, superlative degree also we are going to do in the two parts, A and B. First of all, find out superlative degree without one of. See this sentence, without one of means one of word is not there. Part 1. And same sentence here. This is cricket is the most. Here the most word is there. Okay. And in this sentence we don't have the word one of. Is there one of here? No. So we should use the part 3's first formula. That is the superlative degree. And what do you have to here? Superlative degree into PD. What they said us here? Comparative. So superlative degree into comparative. Use this formula. Main subject. Here we are not going to take a new subject when you are changing a superlative degree into comparative degree. Okay, keep in mind, superlative into comparative, when you are doing, you are not taking new subject. See the formula. That's why I said understand the formula and learn. Take the main subject, cricket, helping verb is. Okay, then what to do? ER than or more than. Now most popular, most is used, so definitely more popular. And the is used article for the superlative degree. And now we are going to make a comparative. So cricket, main subject, helping verb, and use the sign of the comparative, more popular than. Okay, after than, what to do? You are changing without one of superlative degree into comparative degree. So after than, without one of, we are using any other word. Which word? Any other. This word, add it. So see here. After that, than, any other. Then remaining part or the end of the sentence. Sports in our country. Okay. Sports in our country. Understand second? Now see the third. My grandmother is the fittest person in the family. This is same. And what they said, but here we are going to make the positive degree. This is the given sentence. Which type of a degree is used in the given sentence? Tell me. The fittest. Very good, student. That is a superlative degree. And as I given in the chart, two types of the superlative degree. Which one? Superlative degree without one of, superlative degree with one of. Here without and with here with one of. So is there word one of in the third sentence? No. So means part A you are using superlative degree without one of. And what you have to make here? Positive degree. So superlative degree into positive degree. See the first rule here. Use no other, new subject, helping verb, as old subject. Now see the no other. Which word we have to take? No other. Take the no other. Then take after no other, take the new subject. After no other, take the new subject. No other. Then person in our family. Okay. Then helping verb is as fit as my grandmother, old subject. Okay, we have used this verb formula of no other. Okay, now next, comparative degree. The given sentence is also the superlative. Why superlative? Because the largest is used. Comparative degree. Okay, so same, it is also, this sentence also don't have the one of. Yes, and here we are using without one of st into Siri rule. What is main subject, verb, helping verb, than, more than, whatever needed, any other, and rest of sentence. See, main subject as it is, because from superlative degree we are making comparative, and this is without one of superlative degree. The last house is. Then what is the needed? Larger than, largest. So what we have done? Largest than. Okay, any other we can take here, all other. Okay, any other also okay. Any other houses in this street. Next, no other. Now here no other is used and you have to make the superlative degree. Now go in contrast. No other is used and make the superlative degree. Go in contrast. Remove the no other. Okay. So Asia is the largest continent on the earth. No other continent on the earth is as large as Asia. It means what? It means take the new subject. Asia, helping verb, is the largest continent on the earth. Now next. Number 6. Person is the tallest student in the class. No other comparative you have to make, and this is also the superlative degree. Without one of superlative degree, make a comparative. Make main verb, helping verb, than, more than, any other rest of sentence. Keep in mind all this formula. So here if you see, person is the tallest student in the class. So in this sentence, what they have said us to make us the comparative degree. Answer will come that person, sixth answer. Person is, we have to make comparative. See the formula. Okay, see the formula. So take the main subject as it is, person. Okay, is taller than any other student in the class, in this way. Now next one, here given to make you the positive degree. Which one? The positive degree. Okay, the elephant is the largest animal on the land. Make it positive. No other, take the new subject. Animal on the land, take the helping verb, is as large as the elephant. Okay, next. Now they given us superlative degree. Sorry, they given us positive degree and tell us to make a superlative degree. No other employee in the office is as hardworking as Dipti. So here superlative you have to make. Take the new subject, Dipti. The helping verb is. Take the sign of superlative degree, most. Hardworking, this is the more syllable word. So most is used. Dipti is the most hardworking employee in the office. Understand? So remaining you should try yourself today. Okay, this is the more beautiful sunrise I have ever seen. Find out the correction. This is the more beautiful, they said. More beautiful, you are saying. Sunrise I have ever seen means what? The most. It is the highest comparison. So is the most sunrise. No other planet in our solar system is as bigger as used, and what their mistake is there? The ER is used. This is wrong. As big as. See, connection is done. Next, the black mamba is one of the more venomous snake in the world. Is one of the more, no. One of is used in the superlative degree. Is it? So one of the most. This is the correction. Then skydiving is one of more dangerous adventure sport. Skydiving is one of the most. Again like this. If one of, then superlative degree. Jog Falls in the Karnataka is the second higher flung waterfall in the country. Jog Fall in the Karnataka is second highest. If you are saying second means higher type of comparison you are making. So highest. Next, Raja Ram Mohan Rai was more famous social reformer. More famous. See what they done. Raja Ram Mohan Rai was a famous social reformer. Why needed more? They have not made comparison in anyone, but why needed more? So more is the wrong. So positive degree here we are using in the Raja Ram Mohan Rai. Lavani is one of a more again written. One of the most. Okay. Karnataka is one of the biggest. If one of, use the superlative degree. Okay, hope you understand. And this all part we have done already. So our this topic is also ended. Along with that, our syllabus is ended for the your midterm. From tomorrow we'll start the revision. Thank you.